So you already have your polyline installed in your garden and you want to add micro sprays or drippers to them, like this. The things you'll need are the micro sprays or dripper, the flexi tube and one of these tools. First, place your spray or dripper around 100 millimeters away depending on the plant type. You can change this once the spray is on. Measure out your tube, making sure you leave a lot of slack between the plant and the polyline. Cut it to length and twist off the barb if it has it on the dripper. If not, that's another item you'll need. Push one side of your tube into the barb of the dripper or spray. Now puncture a hole in the polyline. This is a specialized tool, but if you don't have this or don't want to buy one, there's other things you can use. Any small pointy object that is smaller than the size of the barb will work. Push in the barb to both tube and polyline. Once inserted, pull back to make sure it's properly in and will not pop out. Finally, once the water is on, twist the top of the spray or the dripper to adjust how far it throws. Easy.